Robots by Kristen Zukora-Wolski. What is a robot? Robots are machines that do work. They use sensors to learn about the world around them. Weather robots collect data about our environment. Some help predict weather. Some weather robots use sensors to measure wind speed. Others use sensors to measure temperature. Weather robots fly, swim, and drive. They need energy to move. This energy can come from gas or batteries, or it can come from sunlight or wind. A robot needs a brain. Its brain is a computer. The computer contains a program. Programs tell robots what to do. Climate scientists create programs. Weather robots help us understand weather. They also help us study climate change. Flying robots. Some weather robots fly. They're called UAVs. UAVs are small airplanes or helicopters. UAVs do not carry people. They carry only sensors. Some of these measure temperature. Others measure wind and humidity. Flying into storms is dangerous, but some UAVs can fly in rough weather. They gather data. Scientists study this data. They learn how storms form. UAVs are very useful for studying storms. Ground sensors measure only what passes above them, but UAVs can follow storms. UAVs can even follow hurricanes. Strong winds and rain don't stop these robots. Scientists program some UAVs to fly like bees. Bees fly well in bad weather. They fly slowly. They roll often. This keeps them stable in high winds. Swimming robots. Some weather robots swim. They record ocean currents. Ocean currents carry heat. They affect the weather around the planet. Some ocean robots float in place. They measure the temperature and salinity. Salinity is the saltness of water. Other ocean robots chase hurricanes. Some robots chase hurricanes underwater. They swim toward the storm. They help scientists predict where hurricanes will go. Other robots stay on the surface. They carry the sensors into the middle of hurricanes. Driving robots. Some weather robots drive on land. They explore harsh places. They spend scientists' data about weather. Volcanoes can change the weather. They created dust clouds. These clouds block sunlight. Without sunlight, Earth cools. The cold can last for a month or years. Robots can warn scientists about eruptions. Volcano robots whirl on wheels or walk on legs. They travel into volcanoes. They sense temperatures and gas. Scientists study this data to predict eruptions. Wheels robot map Antarctica. They take ice and snow samples. They sense temperature, wind, and snowfall. Earth's climate is warming. Polar ice is melting. Melting ice changes ocean currents. Weather robots study the North and South poles. Robots help scientists track Earth's warming. Robots can predict climate changes. The data help us prepare for the future. Robot scientists. Robot scientists are called robotics. To become a roboticist, you must go to college for at least 4 years. Creating a robot involves engineering, math, and computer programming. To work with weather robots, you must also understand meteorology. This is the science of weather. Weather robots must be able to survive harsh weather. The people who build weather robots must think about how they will move in high winds or large waves. Fun facts: some ocean robots get energy from ocean waves. Polar robots get energy from wind and the sun. One ocean robot project includes about 3,000 robots floating across the world's ocean. The project began in 1999. By November 2012, the robots had collected by more than 1 million readings. One volcanic robot has 8 legs, like a spider. The robot creeps around a volcano's crater. The robot looks for formulas or cracks spewing super hot gas. The robot stands over the crack for hours and collects data. The U.S. National Weather Service weather radio broadcasts are gathered, organized, and broadcast by a robot.